Not again, not again. Not again. Not again.
Guys, there's a new monster. I don't know where he is.
No. No. Go away. No, 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 no. 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 Oh. Can he come there?
The monster.
He can't. Is he?
Oh my god, this is 10 times scary.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my
I'm
god!
scared.
Oh my god! Oh, I just saw something.
I'm scared.
Dead end. We can go up here. We can go up! Go up! We can go up! Wait, it's dead end up there. What's that? Meatball? Oh no, I think this is where I was at earlier. Get out of here! We're not doing this. It's just
Help.
oh my god!
Help.
Oh my god!
Help. Kill yourself.
Oh my god!
Where'd he go?
Oh my god! Bro, it didn't came for me!
I don't want to troll. They added a bunch of stuff. How much money do I have?
Oh. Let's break the window. I'll follow you, Jake Simpson. You cannot break the windows. It's indestructible.
Yo.
Oh, what's up, man, dude? Alright. I think this is gonna be truly. Oh my!
Alright, let's go. We're going to explore. Hold up, he's coming. Oh.
I'm back.
It was right there.
Where? I follow you, Japes, son.
Yo, Blue.
What?
You're not following me, bro.
Did you just disappeared? Hi. Where did little bro just go? Where?
Oh, that was backwards.
Well, this is not the back rooms.
Bro, Edwin is there.
Where?
I went in here, bro. I went into the back room, bro. I went into these vents and I went to the back rooms. It led to the back rooms. The vents on the floor led to the back rooms.
Oh my god.
if you're in my lobby, go to that little tunnel thing. Guys, what's over here? Oh, it's just that room with barely any space.
I know. I got a feeling that this is gonna be terrifying.
There's no way up.
Wait, guys, go this way. Inside my bones.
Bounce, suck my levels, bounce, suck my levels.
Guys, up here.
Wait, guys.
Whoa. Oh my god!
It's coming from over there. Yo, I'm following Needle Dude.
I hear nothing, we're good.
I'm following.
Oh my god! He was behind us the whole time!
What was that? A new update? I at least survived for because I have these
Now we have
flying
the
powers.
disadvantage.
Your magical ringing device is vibrating in your pocket. Please make it stop.
Get out!
Wait, this is the new monsters.
Needle Dude.
Place.
Needle Dude.
Yeah, I'm low-key feeling joyous.
Needle Dude.
Bro, it's looking kind of scary.
Now which way did we just go again?
Bro, get me up here. Keep me up here. Nah, bro, there's something over there.
What do you mean?
Bro, I want to see the new monster. Hold up. I want to see
Bro, the new monster?
Wait, what? Whoa, wait, it's outside of the map. Hold on, it's like the escape thing. Hold on, let's find it where it is. Hold on, you gotta follow them. You gotta follow me.
I know where
Where's
the
the new monster at?
I'll show y'all.
Oh, it's right here! Dude!
Guys, come over here.
Where?
Guys, come up here!
Whoa!
I'm getting out of here.
Yes! We can escape!
It's like a real. It's like a little pop. God damn it.
Whoa.
I was stuck in. Oh wait, there's a place where we could live. Come here. But we can live.
Whoa! Go through that hole. Oh, there's the new monster! Oh my god! Oh my god, where is he going? He's another player. No. What was that jump scare? Oh my god, that was freaking terrifying.